David, are you just waking up? Are you ready to eat? You're not sure yet? Max, what do you think about your baby brother? Show me where your baby brother is.
I want to see. I want to see.
I know you want to see the camera, but can we first take a picture? Can you give your baby brother a little kiss? Do you want to give him a kiss?
On his hat.
On his hat, you want to give him a kiss? Okay, gentle. That was so nice. What's your brother's name?
Baby David.
Baby David. Are you a good big brother?
What's Mommy doing?
Mommy's taking a video of you. And of baby David. Okay, I think he's ready to eat.
No.
I know. Where you going? Where you going?
I want to see him.
You want to see him? Hi.
Mommy will do.